In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams installation error. If Teams won't install or keeps failing partway through, this walkthrough will help you clear out the old files, give the installer the right permissions, and avoid common security blocks, all while keeping things simple and safe. Start by opening Settings on your Windows PC. The fastest way is to press the Windows key plus I, or click the Start button and choose the gear icon. Once you're in, select Apps. On most newer versions of Windows, you'll see installed apps. On some older builds, it may be called Apps and Features. Either way, you're in the right place. Scroll through the list and find Microsoft Teams. Click it, choose Uninstall, and confirm. If you see more than one Teams entry, remove each one you find. When that finishes, restart your device. This reboot clears any files that were locked in memory and gives you a clean slate for the next attempt. After the restart, locate your downloaded Teams installer file. It's typically in your Downloads folder unless you chose a different location. If you moved it or renamed it, use the search box in File Explorer to look for Teams, and you should spot the installer quickly. When you've found it, don't just double-click. Instead, right-click the file and choose Run as administrator. This step is important because it grants the installer the elevated permissions it needs to write files to protected system folders and complete setup without unexpected permission errors. If a prompt appears asking whether to allow changes to your device, select Yes. Sometimes antivirus or firewall protection can mistakenly flag the Teams installer and stop it from running properly. If you trust the file and it came from Microsoft, you can temporarily relax real-time scanning during the install. To do this, open Settings again, select Privacy and Security, then open Windows Security. Choose Virus and Threat Protection. In the section for real-time protection, toggle it off just for the duration of the installation. Return to your installer window, run it as administrator if needed, and let it complete. As soon as Teams is installed, go back to the same Windows security screen and toggle real-time protection back on so your device remains protected. When the setup finishes, launch Teams from the Start menu to confirm it opens without errors. That's it. With a clean uninstall, an elevated reinstall, and a brief security pause when necessary, most installation errors are resolved quickly and reliably.